Hello everyone, I'm Lisa, and welcome back to Dragonware Decaf. Were you guys looking to play some Ben 10 Battle Ready and stumbled upon a Reddit thread from about 3 years ago saying it's on Flashpoint, then download Flashpoint only to have your hopes and dreams crushed by the fact that the game won't launch? We've all been there, right? To fix it, all you have to do is find Ben 10 Battle Ready in Flashpoint, and then you're going to want to click Launch Japanese Version. I know what you're thinking, you don't want to play the game in Japanese, obviously, you want to play it in English, but don't worry, I have you covered. So of course the game is going to launch in Japanese. You're just going to want to close it, and now click on play, and the game should launch. If it doesn't and you still get an error, just try it again and it should work. It worked for me both here and on the Steam Deck. And speaking of the Steam Deck, here's how you do the fix there. You're just going to want to open up the Flashpoint search, and it has to be this specific search. Now you're going to want to search for Ben 10 Battle Ready. For this search, for some reason, it only shows up if you type in Battle Ready. I don't know why that is. You're going to want to scroll down until you see the ID for the Japanese version. Now you're going to want to go into your Steam shortcut, which I discussed in the last video, and in the launch command field, you're going to want to type in play-i, and then in quotations, you're going to paste that ID we just copied from the Flashpoint search. Now you're going to want to play the game. It'll of course launch in Japanese. You're going to want to close it, and then go back to the Flashpoint search. Scroll up a bit until you find the ID for the English version. Then paste that ID into your Steam shortcut. Then launch the game again, and it should launch without issue this time. Hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below.